Well, he's very unique when it comes to doing runs and riffs. Yes, we hear a lot of artists na nakakagawa ng mga kulot-kulot, but when Jason does it, it's very organic, it's very natural, and he has a certain style na siya lang ang nakakagawa.
He can turn any song into his. Any song that you give Jason, it's gonna be really good.
Hindi siya takot na mag-explore ng iba't ibang klase ng music, iba't ibang klase ng genre. Kaya I can say that he is a versatile singer.
That moment when I turn for him sa The Voice, every time he takes on a song, he makes it his own. Grabe yung grace, grabe yung sincerity, his passion to give it his own, kanyang sariling flavor, his own touch. And it's just beautiful every time he sings.
Pagkakakilala ko is quiet and reserved, but I know that he can really be fun because I watch his TikToks. I believe that he's very loyal and trustworthy.
Pag nakita mo siya for the first time, akala mo mahiyain, tahimik, reserved. Pero sa totoo lang, he's very funny. Pag malungkot ka, kaya kanyang patawan.
You can see that he really loves his job. He's having fun whenever he's on stage. But backstage, behind the camera, you see the real Jason Lee, which is like kalong, kengkoy, very funny.
Magandang pagkatao ni Jason Lee. 10 years in the business and hindi pa rin nagbabago yung pagiging grounded niya as a person. Yung artistry niya, mas lalo pa siyang gumaling ng gumaling. Because recently, I've watched his dance video at na-amaze talaga ako. I didn't know na ganun siya kagaling, kahusay, gumalaw, sumayaw.
Hi Jason, I didn't even know it was already 10 years, but you know, it seems like yesterday when you entered ASAP to be with all of us. Congratulations on your 10th year, and I really wish you all the best. I know how good and how hard you work for your career. I wish you all the best.
Hey Jason, I just want to take this chance to congratulate you on your anniversary. 10 wonderful years. I know this celebration is a culmination of everything that you've really worked hard for. And you deserve it because you work hard. You go out of your way to perfect your craft, not just your music, but everything about it, your image, your presence. Ganon. So congratulations, and I wish you more years to come, more music to release, and more people na mapasaya mo sa boses mo.
Congratulations on your 10th anniversary. Tulad nga ng palagi kong sinasabi, you are so blessed dahil hindi lahat ng artists pinabibigyan ng pagkakataon to celebrate such a milestone like this. So congratulations to you. And ang wish ko, sana lahat ng prayers mo, lahat ng wishes mo ay matupad dahil alam kong napakarami mo pang gustong gawin when it comes to your singing and your fashion. And syempre, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na narito kami mga kaibigan mo, mga kapatid mo sa Cornerstone na i-guide ka. Nandito lang kami sa kailangan mo.
Congratulations, our dear Jason Lee, on celebrating your 10th anniversary in the entertainment business. I truly am so proud of you. I hope you continue to love what you do. I hope your passion for music continues to grow. Please keep on creating original music. I am looking forward to doing a song collaboration with you soon. I love you. Congratulations, and let's perform together soon. I love you.
In your smile, Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all you're more than I do. So please believe me, I can never find the courage to resist your charm. Nothing's more divine than each moment you are mine. Be my lady, just forgive the past this time to mend your broken heart. No more divine us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be let the sun shine through your heart and make the world stay with me night and day through the rest of my life. Just like the world goes on, my love will last until forever. Just like the world goes on, my love will last until forever. Jason D! Concert King Martin Rivera, ladies and gentlemen! I love you. Happy birthday. Happy 10th year anniversary. I see big things for you. Thank you for inviting me on your decade.
My dick, yes.
Your decade.
My dick.
Isn't he wonderful? You will be hard to defeat. And I have decided that I am a defender, and you will become, like me, a depender. People will depend on you to defend this industry with the talent that God has blessed you. Ladies and gentlemen, there's only one, Jason D.
Thank you so much. I love you, Sir Martin Rivera, ladies and gentlemen. Grabe! Woo!
Now clean this up.
You know what, guys? Konting kwento lang. Sir Martin landed here yesterday na from the US. So I was messaging Sir Martin, Sir Marts, would you please do me the honor to guest on my concert? Ganyan. But we weren't sure if it was gonna happen kasi nga, you know, with flights and everything, the delays. So he went straight from the airport to here. So grabe, I'm so thankful, I'm so gracious, and so grateful for everything. Sir Martin, mahal na mahal kita. Yan, isa yun sa mga pinakamabait na tao sa industriya. Sobrang ang laki ng puso, sobrang buti. Kaya siya concert king kasi he has such a big heart. Kaya nagtatagal yung mga ganyan, nagiging icons yung mga ganyan kasi grabe yung mga puso nila. Kaya once again, talakpakan po natin Sir Martin Rivera. Okay po ba yung hair ko? Okay ba yung buhok ko? Ayos po ba? Yung mukha ko, okay na po ba? That is because care of po ang ating hairstylist na sina Mikey Arcano and Janica Cleto. Palakpakan po natin sila. They made me look good tonight for all of you guys. Now, for those who might not remember, of course, Be My Lady was my very first teleserye theme song. And to be able to sing this song on the stage with the man himself is an honor, unlike any other. Kaya grabe talaga. This next song I have for you is also a classic. Ako lagi itong kinakanta sa videoing, sa karaoke. Lagi itong number one. Na-enter ko lagi number nito kasi favorite itong kantahin.
It's a timeless love song, timeless OPM song na ang lakas pa rin ng tama, pinapakinggan pa rin natin lahat hanggang ngayon.